class 2 EVS. Okay, let's start now. So previous day we have finished internal organs and external organs. Okay, internal organs we have finished, and internal parts and external parts. Sorry, external parts we have finished, which we can see, and internal parts which we cannot see. What are the external parts? Eyes, head, neck, hand, leg, ears, nose, okay, or legs. All these are external parts which we can see. And what are the internal parts? Brain, lungs, liver, stomach. These are the internal parts which we cannot see. Okay, muscles, bones also we cannot see. All these things we have finished previous day. Okay, now today we'll start from our sense organs. We'll start from sense organs. Write the date: 14/5/20. So we'll start from sense organs. Now see, what are sense organs? You know what are sense organs? Everyone knows. Okay, now see, sense organs of our body that tells us about the things around us are called sense organs. Okay, sorry, the special organs. The special organs of our body that tells us about the things around us are called sense organs. Now what are sense organs? Now see, special organs, they are what? They are special organs of our body and they tells us about the things around us, so they are called sense organs. Now what are the special organs? There are 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So what are the 5 sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Clear? So what if I ask you how many sense organs are there? You will tell me there are 5 sense organs. What are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Now if I ask you what are sense organs, what will you say? Special organs of our body. Okay, special organs of our body that tells us about the things around us. Okay, special organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin are special organs of our body and they tells us about the things around us. Okay, they are known as sense organs. Clear? Now there are 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Okay, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin, and they are special organ. Why? Because they tells us about the things around us. Clear? Organ means part of the body, you know, part of the body. Now next come to these organs now, one by one. Ears. What does ears help us to do? Ears help us to hear sound. What does ears help us to do? Ears help us to hear sound. We can hear sound with what? With ears. Okay. Next, eyes help us to see things. Eyes help us to what? See things. See the things around us, all around us. We can see beautiful things, okay, with our eyes. The ears, we can hear the nice sound, pleasant sound, okay, with our ears. Nose. Nose help us to smell. Okay, nose help us to smell. How? We can get a good smell when your mother is cooking a good food, delicious, tasty food. You can get a good smell. Okay, you sometimes will get a garbage smell, bad smell also. So nose help us to sense the smell, okay, which is a good smell, which is a bad smell. Now tongue help us to taste different things. When your mother cooks tasty food, tongues help us to taste. You taste the food and tell your mother, it's very delicious, it's very tasty. How can you tell the food is very tasty? Because of your tongue. Tongue will taste the food and tell your brains that it's very tasty. Then you will tell to your mother, it's very tasty food. Okay, clear? Tongue help us to taste different things. Tongue help us to taste different things, different type of food: sweet, salty, bitter, sour, all things. Tongue help us to taste. Next is skin. Skin help us to feel hard, soft, rough, hot or cold things. Now with the help, our whole body is covered with skin. With the help of skin, we can feel it is a hard thing or a soft thing or a rough thing. It is a hot or cold. When you touch a hot utensil, you feel the cold. When you touch ice, you will feel it's cold. Okay, so who helps us? Skin help us to say whether, skin help us to feel whether anything is hard. You have a soft toy, so that will be soft. Okay, so skin help us to feel whether it is hard, soft, rough, hot or cold. Clear? So eyes, what does ears help us to do? Ears help us to hear different type of sounds. Eyes help us to do different type of things. Nose help us to smell different type of things. Tongues help us to taste different taste. Okay, and skin help us to feel anything which is soft, hard, hot, cold, that help us skins. Okay, clear? These are the five sense organs, and this they work for us. They work for us. These are their works. Okay, how do they help the? How do the our sense organ help us? Now, clear? Now this one, see. Write down which organs is used in each case. Now you have to write down which organs is used in each case. Okay, now see. There is a case written down. You have to say which organs you will use. I taste an ice cream with mine. What will you taste an ice cream with an? Tell me. This one you will do by yourself. You taste an ice cream with an? Yes, so it will be tongue. I hear telephone ring with my. How do you hear? You hear with your ears. Good. I feel rough bark of a tree. Bark of a tree. Okay, the outer covering of a tree is very rough. Okay, how will you feel? By touching with your skin. So, with my skin. I sense the smell of a freshly baked cake with my. When a cake is baked, made, it's very good smell come. A fresh, a nice smell comes out. How will you smell that? With what? With your, see, this is the cake. With what? With your nose. Clear? This one you will do by yourself. External parts. Now, what are external parts? Internal parts, bones and muscle. We have learned this one. Let's see the meanings. The external parts, the parts of our body which we can see. External parts. Internal parts, the parts of our body which are inside our body, which we cannot see inside our body. Bones, the hard part of our body that provide us shape and support. Okay, bones are the hard part, I told you, that gives us shape and support to the body. Muscles, internal parts of the body that help us to move. Muscle help us to move our body. Okay, muscles, they help us, internal parts, and they help us to move our body. Clear? These things we have done. Okay, it's done. So the chapter overs over here. Chapter gets finished over here. Okay, the chapter is over. So we have finished the second chapter, that is my body. Here the chapter finish. So this one will be your homework. This one will be your homework. This one you will do by yourself. You will write the organs here. Sense organs. Which organs you do. Okay. Next day I will do all these things. Exercise. Don't do the exercise now. Let us read this one. The whole chapter is here. Different parts of our body perform various functions. We have a head, neck, 2 hands and 2 legs. There are 2 eyes, 2 ears, 1 nose and a mouth on our face. There are 2 eyes. Okay, now some internal parts of our body which we cannot see are brain, heart, lungs, stomach, bones and muscles. The brain helps us to think. The heart pumps blood to other parts of our body. Lungs help us to breathe. Stomach helps us to digest the food we eat. Bones provide support to our body. Muscles help us in the movement of our body. This is the whole chapter what we have read. Okay, what I taught you. It's just a gist. Okay, it's a summary of the whole chapter. Clear? Now, for today, this much. This one will be your homework. Okay, clear? Maybe all of you do your homework. For today, this much. Thank you.